Hi, this video is showing you biomass waste from agriculture or forest waste, drying and carbonization. In this type material, they have one same feature, that is big volume and less weight. So you can check this video as reference. First, we need crush it into this size, and after carbonize, it's become to biochar and charcoal. This is after crushed. Before drying it with high moisture. You can see in the video it's high moisture. And we sent it to the Rotary Drum Dryer. And the heat source, it can be wood, gas, diesel, and others. We have dryer working for high moisture, for original moisture, so it's high efficiency after drying. This after dried with low moisture. For production line, we suggest to add in a buffering storage silo before the dryer, so it can be continuously working. After drying, materials can be sent to the carbonization furnace. And for this type of material, we have to use bigger diameter drum for feeding to avoid the stuck inside. Our system is already equipped with gas preheating system with a gasifier and electric ignition controller, and also the air blower. So like this type material, fiber, stalk, straw, it can be used to produce biochar and charcoal, just the output capacity is a little smaller than the normal wood chips sawdust. So if you're interested to get in same equipment and solution and quotation, don't hesitate to contact him. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.